Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Claude when it keeps giving generic, repetitive, or boring responses, and how to get more detailed, creative, and useful answers instead. If you've ever asked Claude a question and received a response that felt too basic, vague, or similar to something you've seen before, the issue is often not with Claude itself. In many cases, the problem comes from the way the prompt is written. Small changes to your instructions can dramatically improve the quality of the output. The first thing to do is provide more context. Generic prompts usually produce generic answers. For example, instead of asking, "Tell me about marketing," try something more specific, like explain 3 modern social media marketing strategies that small businesses can use in 2026, including real-world examples and common mistakes to avoid. The additional details give Claude a clearer direction. Next, tell Claude exactly how much detail you want. If you don't specify a depth level, it may provide a brief overview. You can ask for a comprehensive explanation, an in-depth analysis, or a step-by-step breakdown. For example, write, "Provide a detailed explanation with examples, practical applications, and beginner-friendly language." Another effective technique is assigning Claude a role. Before asking your question, tell it who it should act as. For example, act as a senior software engineer, act as an experienced business consultant, or act as a professional content strategist. This often results in more specialized and insightful responses. You should also request a specific format. Claude performs much better when it knows how to organize the answer. Ask for numbered steps, bullet points, comparison tables, outlines, checklists, or case studies depending on your needs. Structured prompts often lead to structured answers. If you're looking for more creative responses, explicitly say so. Instead of accepting the default style, ask Claude to be imaginative, unconventional, or innovative. For example, generate 5 unique marketing ideas that most competitors are not using. This encourages more original thinking. Another common reason responses feel boring is that the prompt is too broad. Break larger requests into smaller parts. Rather than asking Claude to explain an entire business strategy in one question, ask it to analyze target customers, competition, pricing, and marketing separately. This usually produces much richer information. You can also ask Claude to include examples, case studies, or real-world scenarios. For instance, explain the concept and provide 3 practical examples. Examples make responses more engaging and easier to understand. If you've already received a generic answer, don't start a new chat immediately. Instead, refine the conversation. Ask Claude to expand certain sections, provide more detail, challenge its own conclusions, offer alternative viewpoints, or explain the topic at a more advanced level. Follow-up prompts often produce significantly better results. A useful prompt template is act as an expert in this field, explain the topic in detail, provide practical examples, discuss common mistakes, and include actionable recommendations. Using more context, clearer instructions, specific formats, and follow-up refinements can transform basic responses into valuable, detailed, and engaging answers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.